Managing SSL certificates for components in the VMware stack is a massive area of pain for customers. vCert Manager from VSS Labs provides fully automated management of SSL certificates in a VMware environment across the entire life cycle. We now go to the login page, and once we log in, here is the tab view that we can get. Let us proceed to the one-time process of setting up the admin configuration. First, we set up the SMTP, which is essential for notifying the CA admin of pending certificate request for approval when a standalone CA is used. In addition, emails are also sent whenever expiring and expired certificates have been detected. Next, we go to the Settings tab, where the company profile and the My Account settings help you customize the application's look and feel. Finally, sites, roles, and users allow role-based access control, separating duties between system admin and common users. Let us now go to the certificate authorities. We support a number of certification authorities, such as an open SSL, which is used for generating certificate signing request, Windows 2008 and 2012 Enterprise Root CA, Windows 2008 Subordinate CA, Windows 2008 and 2012 Standalone CA. These are used for automatically signing the new generated CSRs. And lastly, we support offline CAs for servers in an isolated environment. The ability to support offline CAs is achieved through the use of bulk certificate import and CSR export that is currently embedded in the system. Firstly, this is how we generate certificate signing request. Next is CSRs are manually signed by your CA administrator. Once this is done, we use the bulk import facility to import it into the vCert repository. These certificates can now be utilized in all VM components being monitored by vCert. Let us now proceed with the discovery of VM components. vCert Manager integrates at an API level with the VMware components and does automatic discovery and ongoing monitoring of the components. We support vCenter 5.1 services deployed in both single and multiple locations. Here, we show you an example of these services deployed on a multi-location environment. So now you are able to see the SSO, vCenter, Web Client, Log Browser, Update Manager, and Inventory Service. Note that Orchestrator 5.1 is also supported. Next, let us add vCenter 5.0. Now, let us add another vCenter with 4.x 5.0 5.1 hosts attached. We have now completed the discovery of the VMware infrastructure. Let us now move to the certificates for each of these components. Note that upon initial installation of VMware components, the unsecured default certificates need to be replaced with digitally signed certificates issued by a certificate authority to plug any security loopholes. Enterprise and standalone CAs are used in this presentation, but the local repository and subordinate CAs can also be used if required. Let us start updating the certificates on the host. You can see that all host update flows are fully automated and can be executed simultaneously across different host versions. Note also, all updates are published in the Notification tab, therefore letting the user know which tasks are currently being executed by vCert Manager. The certification update process follows the best practices as prescribed by VMware. Let us now explore the situation when the system detects a revoked or expired certificate. In our example here, you will notice that the certificate on one of the hosts has been revoked. vCert has an auto-deploy feature that, when enabled, automatically detects such events. As you can see, with an auto-deploy on, vCert has now detected the status and is proceeding with an automatic update. Sometimes hosts get rebuilt or vCert Manager detects these statuses intelligently and reverts back to the recently used working certificate. You are also presented with a component history for a comprehensive audit trail. In addition, vCert also allows you to roll back to any certificate shown in the history. Let us now turn to vCenter 5.1 services deployed in a multi-location environment. Here too, vCert Manager precisely queues up the components for update as per VMware best practices. It centralizes the update process, thereby making it easier to update vCenter services that are deployed in a multi-location environment. Aside from the syslog integration, vCert Manager comes with a whole host of notifications, events, and alarms on unhandled exceptions. Detailed information on the procedures executed by vCert and any errors thrown by the application are recorded both for audit trails and well as for faster resolution of issues. With vCert Manager, you need not worry about expiring or expired certificates. You can set up an alarm in the Settings module to notify you through email, so that the necessary action can be implemented. Besides this, the dashboard and reports give you real-time information on the different statuses of all the certificates. To know more about vCert Manager or to request for an evaluation copy, please contact Luisa de Guzman at luisa@vsslabs.com.